If you or your elderly mum and dad or grandma and grandpa love having a great garden, but you find it really hard to hand water your huge lawn and all your plants, then I've got the solution for you. Affordable reticulation is out there. You can get it, and you already know the right team for the job. It's Jim's Mowing, and for this particular project, he's brought a couple of his mates. Quinton, give me the rundown on your garden, mate. It's massive.
It is massive garden, and quite frankly, I'm not the man I was. So I decided to contact Jim's Mowing, who do our lawns, and I spoke to Josh, and Josh has come out here to help me sort the problem out.
All right, so what are you going to do, Josh? Because obviously it needs reticulating because it's taking Quinton ages to water.
Exactly, mate. So what we're going to do for Quinton here is we're going to retic his lawn out the front, retic it out the back, and Jim's Mowing generally have 99% of jobs covered, but this time we're going to call in our friends from Total Eden and Cassotti Plumbers to give us a hand with a few bits and pieces.
Nice, the whole gang.
The whole gang.
Gyms do just about everything around the garden, from lawns to gutters and even rubbish removal, and they've earned a reputation for absolute reliability. Ask them to do something and it's done. Steve, Total Eden, experts in retic, what have you got for us today?
Well, we sure are the experts. Today we've got an install. We've measured the water. We're going to be putting in certain sprinklers at the right spot to get our coverage, and we're using PVC pipe for lawn for future maintenance and it's long hard wearing. Doing professional pop-ups with nozzles. We're going to be able to set it up with all the timing so it runs automatically for you, no trouble at all.
Cool, so you had a word with Josh from Jim's earlier.
Yes, we've talked to Jim's and Josh and we've designed it together, and now we're ready to install today.
Beautiful, can't wait to see how it comes out.
Oh, it should be a cracker, mate.
So now we've got all the greatest gear from Total Eden, it's time to plumb it all up. And for that, we handball it off to Dom from Cassotti Plumbers and Gas Fitters. So Dom, Total Eden's got all the gear, but you guys at Cassotti Plumbing is going to put it all together, right?
Correct, yep. Yeah, we're basically going to install the retic cut-in for them, and they'll connect onto that, and the retic cut-in basically just allows the supplier or the owner to turn it on, off as they require.
Cool. So is it just gardens that you guys do?
No, we basically do everything from leaking taps through to, blockages, camera inspections, leak detection, basically anything to do with plumbing we can cover.
And if I've got a problem at 1 in the morning, can I give you a call?
You can, I'm probably not going to answer that.
And look at that, how great does that look? Easy too. So if you're time poor or you're getting on in age and things aren't as easy as they used to be, maybe it's time to get in touch with Jim's Mowing, and who knows, he might even bring some of his mates along. Do yourself and your family a favour and give Jim's Mowing a call right now, or you can always jump onto jimsmowing.com.au. I mean, this system was installed for only around $2.5 grand. How good is that?